how to calculate taxes. Now in Quebec, we pay two types of sales tax. We pay the GST, which is 5%, which is called our goods and services tax, and PST, which is our provincial sales tax, which is 9.975%. Now, so if you're trying to calculate taxes, if we were going shopping, for example, you are going to buy a pair of shoes for $54 and socks for $3.99. Now, when you get to the cash and you go to pay your bill, you will have a subtotal, which would be you must add up both of these items, which will give us a subtotal of $57.99. Now, on this number here, you then have to apply 5%, your GST, and the 9.975% as your PST. So we're going to start with GST. You take your subtotal amount and you then multiply it by your 5%. But because this is in a percent, we have to change it to a decimal first in order to use it in our operation. To do so, if you remember, converting to a decimal, we have to divide the percent by 100, which gives us 0.05. So now doing this operation, if we plug it in our calculator, we are going to get 2.990%. Then you do the exact same thing, but for PST. So you're going to take, again, that subtotal amount. You're going to multiply it by the decimal that you find from your percentage here. Now, if ever you do get multiple decimal places in your answer, you then have to round. So with money, we're always going to round to the second decimal place. Once you find your two sets of taxes, you then must calculate your total. So you're going to take your subtotal, which in this case is 57.99, and you will add on the GST and the PST to that subtotal. And therefore, our total cost will be $66.67.